Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF will be out in their numbers to enforce the Disaster Risk Management Act and maintain public order as Jamaicans get ready to celebrate the Yuletide season. That's the word from head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch and Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP Gary McKenzie. He was at a recent JIS think tank.
ACP McKenzie says that non-geographic personnel like those in the Narcotics and the Criminal Investigation Branch are also engaged at this time of the year to shore up the number of boots on the ground.
Predatory larceny, and especially as it relates to cattle, that tends to trend and it has started. We have also seen where robberies in street crimes in particular, that trends at this particular time. We have been doing quite a bit of very good work within the corporate area, St. Catherine, St. James, St. Elizabeth, by virtue of the quick response teams that we have.
ACP McKenzie says the JCF anticipates heightened security concerns in areas where there is increased exchange of cash and goods and services.
For example, where we have banks, generally transactions are more. In the market area, there is more vending, more monies are passed. Persons tend to do a lot of shopping to get gifts, and there is a lot more sale. And so the police try to occupy these places as much as possible to ensure that persons are safe.
He is encouraging persons to adhere to the COVID-19 protocols, especially the gathering limit.
We have some parishes that, we have to have within the radar. Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, the western parishes, St. James, Westmoreland. We have other parishes such as St. Anne, where activities are usually heightened at this time of the year. What we do generally in our plans is to ensure that our support units, they target these locations. And what we have done in the past, and we continue to do, is that where necessary, we move personnel to these locations and ensure that we can be effective in policing these areas.
The ACP says measures are also in place to address the expected increase in vehicular traffic on the roadways, which can lead to accidents.